Are you looking to enhance your trading experience? In this video, we'll show you how to use the Deriv Trading Calculator, a powerful tool designed to streamline your trading calculations. So, where do you find the calculator on Deriv? It's simple. Head over to our website, click on the Trading menu, and look for the Tools section. There, you'll find the Trading Calculator waiting to enhance your trading experience. Now let's dive into how to use the Deriv Trading Calculator effectively. First, select your symbols and volume from your trading platform, whether you're using Deriv MT5, Deriv CTrader, or DerivX. The asset price updates automatically in real time. Super handy, right? Want to take control? Just flip the switch below to go manual. Once you've entered your details, just click on Calculate and voila, you'll have your results. Let's explore what these results mean for your trading. You'll discover the required margin to start your operation, the pip value, which stands for percentage in point, and your swap fee charges that apply at the daily rollover time of 21:59 Greenwich Mean Time. For detailed market information, don't forget to check the symbol specification section in your trading platform, Deriv MT5, CTrader, or DerivX, where you'll find comprehensive details tailored to the symbol you want to review. To ensure you're always trading with the most accurate information, refer to the symbol specification section in your trading platform. While you can find general specifications on our website, your trading platform provides the most up-to-date information. Stay ahead in your trading journey by keeping track of these specifications, as they are updated monthly. Ready to simplify your trading calculations? Visit our trading calculator today and experience trading with greater confidence.